How's it going? I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to go over why I made every single mistake in the book, trading in Q. I had a massive losing day. We're down almost 1900. Didn't blow the account. I stopped myself before that somehow. I wish I stopped myself earlier, but I traded absolutely terribly today. Overtraded. I was up at one point. Um, I was up about $130, and I was less than 60 away from being able to request my first payout. And that psychological number, that number that I was trying to hit, 2600, apparently had an effect on me because I overtraded trying to get it. Like I said, I was about $50, $60 away, and I took a trade to try to hit that level. It was a losing trade. Took another trade. It was a losing trade, etc., etc. Sized up because I was down. Took another loss with increased size. Just overall, the worst possible trading I could have possibly done. So I'm not even going to go over my trades because they were nonsense. I could go over my very first trade because that was that was the only thing that was semi decent. Basically, it was I wanted to see us hold this because it was the bottom of this range. If we're looking at like a 1 hour chart, pre-market range, we had the bottom and the top of that range marked. We swept that, came back, held it, and then started to look like we were climbing higher. We were retesting kind of this like intermediate support right here. You can see we bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times in this range. So we moved higher, set a new high on the day. We're pulling back and holding this, and I entered long. I got stopped out initially. You can see that I entered and got stopped out by like 1 point, and then I re-entered and it worked out in my favor. That was really my only sensible trade. Other than that, I tried to get a long for continuation here with small size just to hit that profit target. Then I tried a long here, and it was stopped out by just a little bit. Tried another long. I think I actually made money on that. Yeah, there's some winning trades in here, but it was, you can see there's just way too many trades. So yeah, I'm gonna take the weekend to think things over. Really need to establish like a strict rule set that I have to follow. I'm going to implement daily losing limit. I'm not sure why I hadn't done that before, but that's something for sure I'm going to do, just to lock myself out of my account if I do happen to trade more than I should. Yeah, it's a really big bummer. I was 50, 60 bucks away from being able to withdraw profit, and now I'm back to being quite far away. So I know I can do it. Yeah, there's no excuse. It's just I think that I've been wanting this so bad that I put so much emphasis on getting to that number, and in doing so, brought myself way farther away from it than where I should be. But we'll be all right. It's gonna be all right. Just got to just keep going. Just keep carrying on. Like I said, I didn't blow the account. I still have my account. So there's that. I don't have to start over from zero, but it feels that way. And nobody to blame but myself. Yeah, just trying not to let it. I don't know. It's a mix of trying to feel it and understand that I never want to feel this again, but also not let it completely derail me, because I was so close to that goal, and I've been working at this for a while, so I don't want to give up. I don't want to be done, but I have to say, I just about quit today. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to go over anything really. Basically what I was watching. We had a downtrend. We had a range. I was watching if we broke out of that range either way or the other. That's really it. Just overtraded. Didn't stick to my rules, and I don't know. I wish I could go back in time and stop myself because it's a painful way to learn. And this is something that I've learned before. I've blown accounts. So it's not like this is something that I've never done before. It's just I hadn't done this in a really long time. It's been a while since I've had a day like today. Yesterday I overtraded. I ended up with a win yesterday, but I think that might have been just a little bit of a foreshadowing of what was to come. Obviously, I started to slip in my discipline a little bit, and that carried over to today. So all the mistakes in the book, pretty upset about it. Yeah, I don't really know what to say, but that's it. I'll be back next week. We're gonna continue on. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll be back next week. I hope you have a better day than I did. Peace.